So the question today is, do body shops overcharge insurance companies? Typically, right now, currently in our industry, most body shops are undercharging. You're not seeing it, labor rates should be higher. They're not charged for the equipment that you have, the education, the training. I mean, these vehicles are very complex. Honestly, the estimates, the labor rates should be higher than they currently are. However, every once in a while, you'll hear somebody say that it's shop overcharges or they're putting fluff on their estimate. I can tell you that that's not the case. What's typically happening when you hear a body shop overcharges is, here's the scenario. This body shop probably has a nice facility. They're probably spent a lot of money on proper equipment. They probably have an ICAR Gold Class certification, which is a higher level of training. And more than likely, a lot of those will have OEM certifications, which means they are performing OEM certified repairs. When shops have those factors and they're operating in that way, they're typically writing for a safe and proper repair that is also an OEM certified repair, and it's more accurate, it's more thorough. They're maybe charging for things that another shop wouldn't charge that doesn't do an OEM certified repair. It's rarely that I've seen a shop overcharge in this industry. Like I said, most shops in this industry are actually undercharging for what's being done. If you like this content, keep following us. If you have a question, drop it below. We would love to answer your questions, anything that you've experienced, or if you got a story you want to share, leave a comment for us and we can address it in future episodes.